Assalamu alaikum, everyone. On behalf of Feroz Hanif, CEO of Think and Change, I'd like to personally invite you to an insightful live session on cybersecurity designed for our local business community. This isn't just about keeping your computers safe, it's about protecting your personal digital assets, your client information, and the future of your business. Join us on Sunday, December 15th from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. CST at the IFN Learning and Development Room in Libertyville, Illinois. If you can't make it in person, don't worry. We're also streaming the session live, so you can join us virtually via the link provided in the caption. In this session, we'll cover the essentials of cybersecurity for small to medium-sized businesses. You'll learn about the latest threats and, more importantly, the best practices to protect your business, from ransomware to phishing, social engineering, and beyond. We'll also be showcasing Coro Cybersecurity, an advanced platform that makes protecting your digital assets easy and affordable. This session is not just for tech experts. It's for any business owner, professional, or community member who wants to stay one step ahead of cyber threats. It's a chance to ask questions, share your experiences, and get real-world advice on how to secure your business. See you on December 15th in person or online. Let's make your cybersecurity stronger together. Visit us at thinkandchange.com.